Just add salt to the orange peel and you'll thank me. I've stopped wasting money. So here's what you're going to do. Bring a liter of water to the boil, and then we'll add the peel of 5 oranges, okay? We'll put it in here. You can add 2 tablespoons of salt. And I'm also going to use baking soda. You can add a generous spoonful. There will be a reaction here, but it's normal. Then we'll give it a good mix and let it boil until the water changes color. Look, it's already boiled here, and the water has already changed color. It's been about 3 minutes the way we need it. Now we can turn off the heat, and now you're going to get a large container, preferably a bowl. So we're just going to pour in the liquid, the peels. We won't need them. You're also going to use alcohol vinegar, okay? But it has to be white alcohol vinegar. It can't be any other kind of vinegar. Let's put 150 milliliters of vinegar in here. And now we have 500 milliliters of detergent, a whole bottle of it. I'm using neutral, but you can use whatever you prefer. Let's put it in here. It's a good mix. Now just finish with another liter and a half of water, but now it's normal, room temperature water. Just mix again, and that's it. What are we going to do now? You're going to pour all this liquid into these bottles. And look, it's going to look like this. And here, guys, we've just made an excellent homemade multi-purpose cleaner. That's right. Salt and bicarbonate are excellent cleaners and antibacterial. So this is a great product for you to disinfect your toilet, clean the bathroom. Orange and lemon are great degreasers. You can also use it to clean your stove, clean your microwave. The vinegar helps to give it a shine, so it's also a product you can use on your floors. It will leave a nice smell, clean, and also give it an interesting shine. This one I use to wash my dishes because it's great for removing food smells, and look how much it foams, cleans the dishes well, and removes egg smells. Very good. After I discovered this, I never bought these market products again. Very nice. Do it at home. I'm sure you'll like it a lot.